Assalamualaikum and hi people, I'm Sarah. So today I'm going to explain more in detail about cluster structure. So let's get started. Alright guys, what is clusters? Cluster is actually a number of metal centers that is grouped close together which can have direct metal bonding interactions or it interacts through a bridging ligand. What do you think from the introductions of metal cluster? Still confused about the cluster? Don't worry, let's find out more. There are three types of cluster structure that we have to know, which is icosahedral, simple metal atoms, and network structure. First thing first is icosahedral. Icosahedral is a cluster of atoms bound by van der Waals forces or by other simple forces. Let's move on to the 13 atom cluster first. In the 13 atom cluster, all but one of the atoms occupies the equivalent sites. Let's focus more about 55 metal atom. This consists of a core, which is only 13 atoms of icosahedron, plus the another 12 more atoms. Also at the top, there are 12 vertices of the icosahedron, and the other more 30 atoms. And last but not least, one in the center of each of the 30 edges of the other 30 edges of the icosahedron. The last part for icosahedron sections, which is 1 for 7 metal atom. It consists of 55 atom icosahedral core. Next, 12 more atoms at the vertices of the outermost shell. In addition, 1 atom in the center of each of the 20 faces. And lastly, 2 atoms along each of the 30 edges between the vertices. Simple metal atoms defines as the different kind of extraordinary stability that manifests itself in clusters of simple metal atoms. Firstly, the shell structure for this class of cluster is determined by the electron. Secondly, the filling of those shells that have energy states is available to the electron. And thirdly, the numbers of electrons corresponding to closed electron shells in metal cluster that are 8, 20, 40, and 58. Okay, to the end of the cluster compound. Network has defined as a particularly stable closed shell that occurs in cluster. In clusters, the atom occupies the sides of the 60 equivalent verticals of the soccer ball structure, which can be constructed by cutting off the 12 verticals of the icosahedron to make it 12 regular 5-sided, which is it is only the regular pentagonal. Thus, it will be resulting the high symmetry structure that has been named. So, what do you think about metal cluster compound? I think it's so easy. So, we have to score in metal cluster as well. Thank you so much guys for